Hello. I'd prepared to document how the ambience around the Yew Tree has enhanced since the white feather landed at my feet. It's Sunday today, and sadly, when I arrived on Friday to begin filming, I noticed a blue tit lying lifeless on the ground by the oak, and this changed the whole theme. And I knew I couldn't present it in the manner I'd intended. As one of a nesting pair, in this short time my feathered friend had been good company, and I was fascinated by their movement around the territory. They in turn watched me as I arrived each time, surely wondering why I would be hammering, sawing and shifting things around. I began to sing gentle tones on arrival to share my joy at being there, and I would leave moss and seed on a branch. I was happy to see that it was well received, and I clearly wasn't considered to be a threat to them. I like to sit quietly and still so I can blend in with the scenery. I move slowly about the place. No sudden movements that might catch the attention of the wildlife. I've been merging deeper with nature, finding joy in simple rhythm tapped out with sticks and stones. A steady rhythm that speaks to the sky and the breeze, the birds and the trees. There's so much peace that can be generated, and the blue tits would hop closer to share the moment with me. I also found space for a small fire pit that wasn't possible before I cleared the area. I've been able to quickly bring ideas into being, and what is unfolding here is a high vibe space. I'm feeling an expanded awareness. I'm processing a lot of information. I'll miss the blue tits, though I'm grateful that they chose to live in close proximity to me. It's an indication that I'm consistently holding the light of love. And knowing this is a precious gift. I've been so stimulated that I've naturally gone with the flow, and this has been key. Until next time, stay in fine fettle.